Hello, good morning. I am speaking with the Paris Hotel. Good morning. Yes, Miss, how can we help you? I need to reserve a room. Of course, we have double single or suite rooms. How nice. Could you tell me the price of each one? Yes, the single room is $30. The double room is $50. And the suite is $70 per night. Oh, perfect. And what services do you have? Palace Hotel offers breakfast and lunch. It has a swimming pool, gym, and playroom of the children. How kind of you. Could you reserve me a double room in the name of Natalia Castañeda? Of course. For what date would you like to make a reservation? June 25 to 29. Would you like a double room with one bed or separate bed? Separate bed. I am going with my mother. Okay, your reservation is made. Thanks.